Missouri, I just missed the damn sign. Alright. Alright, here's another sign. Missouri Welcome Center, rest area. So, bye Iowa. Hello, Missouri. Goodbye, Arkansas. Hello, Missouri. Haiti. Just missed the fucking Missouri sign. Missouri, there's not a Missouri sign.
The fact that he did take questions.
Yeah. Bye, Iowa. So this is Missouri. I'm on the 67. Not an interstate. It's the US Highway 67. Still in Missouri. This fucker won't turn off his brights. Alright, Missouri. Okay, back in Missouri. I guess I'm just not allowed to be here when the sun's out. Right at dusk, when it starts to get really dark to your eyes, this camera, it's like much brighter in the camera. Yeah, so this is Missouri at night. Missouri at night again. That's some bugs on the windshield. Got some asshole following me. That happens a lot. He's afraid to pass me or some shit, so he just sticks right behind me. That annoys the hell out of me, especially when my windshields are dirty and it's lights hit it. It's super annoying. That happens a lot at night for some fucking reason. A little bit during the day, but so much more at night. It's some weirdo who just wants to drive right fucking behind you. Dude, there's seriously a town or a place down that road called Knob Lick. Okay, so this is Farmington. Who cares? I have to double check, but the routes I've taken, there have been no scales, no weigh stations. I have to double check and see if maybe Missouri's one of those states that just doesn't give a fuck and doesn't have them. I don't know. I have to check on that again. I'm still in Farmington, I think. I don't. Maybe we're not. I don't fucking know. St. Louis area. Okay, kind of the outskirts. But St. Louis area. No. I guess not as close to St. Louis as I'm getting tonight.
Miles ahead, take exit 30.
Okay, the Illinois state line. Goodbye, Missouri. Hello, Illinois. Ugh. Ugh. The state that holds Chicago. Yuck. Fuck you, Missouri. You're making me go in, dirty fucking bastards. Missouri is one of those states where fireworks are legal. Wyoming's another one. They'll have these big ass fireworks places for people out of state, right across the state line for people out of state to come buy fireworks. No offense if you like fireworks. I think that's an incredible waste of money. Who cares? Hey, a truck parking area. Good job, Missouri. Good boy. Good boy. You did good. fucking blowout on the I-35 in Missouri. The day was going too well, so of course this happens. Fuck this fucking job, God. So when that blew out, it shot the mud flap up. I couldn't get it with my hands. I'm gonna see if I can knock it back with this. Well, that doesn't look great. How to use my crowbar. It's hot as hell out. Man, that was a pain in the ass. that guy, it was from Love's. I don't like Love's particularly. The mechanic was from Love's. He, the
59.1 miles
Fuck
ahead.
off!
Take exit 12 to I-435 south.
the tread from the old tire wrapped around the axle. That took him a long time. Then he needed to change the mud flap. And the nuts and bolts were like rusted together, so he had to saw those off. Man, I was there about 3 hours. The load is fucking late now. I should be fucking done. I should be done for the fucking day. And I still got hours more of shit to do. And it'll be much later, so I hope I find a place at the truck stop. Approaching Kansas City. Still 20 miles out. Goddamn. Some sort of amusement park, Kansas City. That don't look very big, huh? Stalled vehicle, 70 westbound. Okay. That's interesting, I guess. Kansas City. Shut up! Kansas City, about as close as I'll get to it today. Good thing I got off that freeway, huh? Tomorrow I'm going to drive right through this bad boy. Delivery today is on the outside. Outskirts.
1 mile ahead.
Shut that fucker. JD215Y or I5Y Missouri plate just cut out in front of me. I almost hit him. And then he brake checked me like a fucking cunt. Heading back towards Kansas City again. Elise Summit. I don't know. Is that a town? Outskirts of Kansas City. I could have gone through it, but I didn't want to. So I'm going around it. Don't like big cities. Grandview, Missouri. This is Winco Fireworks. My company shares a yard, or rents some spaces in their yard. Yesterday they sent me somewhere. There's supposed to be an empty. There wasn't when I delivered. Then this morning, I'm in Missouri now. They sent me over to Kansas to get it empty. I went there, they didn't have any empties. And I said, are you sure there's empties? Because they've been doing this all the time. The planners don't care. They'll just send you wherever. It's easier for them to send you somewhere than to call and check if there's empties there. So when I do quit, one of the reasons, now I'm late to the shipper. They don't care. They care if it's my fault, but if it's their fault, they don't care if I'm late to the shipper. And the shipper always blames the driver for some fucking reason. All these people are goddamn idiots. Fuck them. Oh, kind of industrial area of Kansas City. Not gonna have much Kansas City. What can you do? See it? See it? There's the arch. Closest I'm going to get to it today. Okay, the I-29 in Missouri. One stop, I guess. They've got some truck parking in Missouri. They got a few, so that's cool. Missouri. Arkansas, barely missed the sign. Left Missouri, entered Arkansas. Sometimes it's hard to grab the camera. Alright, getting the Kansas sign this time. Home of Dwight D. Eisenhower. My second time going into Kansas from Missouri today. Because I'm chasing empties all fucking morning. Illinois again. Bye, Missouri. I've already done my Illinois video.